Sugar is toxic, and Americans eat way too much of it. Sugar is bad for your teeth, liver, and heart. Sugar contributes to metabolic syndrome and diabetes. Sugar contributes to weight gain and is highly addictive. That's just a partial list of sugar's negative effects. Getting off sugar is tough. Most sugar alternatives are bad for you, taste terrible, or have embarrassing digestive side effects. Until now. Introducing Kakato Sweetener by Fern brand. Kakato has about half the calories of sugar, has 2 grams of fiber per serving, tastes like sugar, looks like sugar, bakes like sugar, caramelizes like sugar, and doesn't have the digestive side effects of sugar alcohols. Kakato Sweetener changes everything. Don't you owe it to your health and the health of your family to give it a try?